Well, it seems lately I've been having light switch problems. So I'm not sure if it's the switch or the bulb on this, but not getting it. It feels like the switch is bad. Well, I'll have to just take the cover off, see if it's the bulb or the switch. I'm going to take this cover off. Got little screws you got to back out. Test this bulb. I got my bulb tester here. Alright, the bulb's good. So I guess I'm going to have to change out that switch. Let me go turn the breaker off for the power to the kitchen. Kitchen breaker. Off. Power's off. Ran my extension cord for some lighting. We'll go ahead and remove the screws. Or loosen them and then just twist it. Alright, I got all the tape off. I'm going to get the wire nuts off. Put that back on there for now. That's the incoming power from the house, and then it goes through the switch and then out to the light. When I put it back, it doesn't matter, there's no polarity. Alright, let me get this bead, this connector off. Unscrew this little fitting that holds the switch in. Remove the switch. Go ahead and test it again. It's an open circuit there, so the contact's open, the switch is open. Getting a real poor connection, so it's not making good contact. And there, you don't hear it click. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it with the new one. Okay, I got my new switch, and I'm going to go ahead and test it because sometimes I get parts from the factory that are bad. So I'm going to ohm it out. Okay, I'm showing 8 ohms, so I got a closed switch. I have a 0, I have an open switch, so it's good. Now see if you can listen to this click. That's a new switch. Now listen to the old one. There's no click, so this is the bad switch. It's wore out. So now I'm going to go ahead and install this new switch. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and remove the nut that holds the switch in place. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the new switch. Gotta put the pull chain through there, hole. Put the nut on it, holds the switch in place. Position it in the right spot. Okay, now I'm going to hook up the wire coming out of the switch to the light bulb. Then I'm going to hook up the power coming from the house to one side of the switch. Alright, I got the switch connected again. Here we go, final test. Light back in action. Always remember, Jesus is the light of the world.